This guy said need that, and let me tell you, you do need that. If you have any problems with your respiratory system, not only if you smoke, but if you just have any problems like with a chesty cough or things like that, the Mullein is insane. It takes me 5 seconds a day to put 2 drops of this in a shot glass and take it, and then I actually don't have a chesty cough anymore, and I can go up the stairs without running out of breath. This is great for people who smoke, but also for non-smokers who just have respiratory problems. And right now, for Cyber Monday, it's 50% off. So if you want to get some for yourself, just hit this link down below.